OneInstitutes. OneInstitutes is a web-based powerful management solution designed to automate an institute's diverse operations from students' registration, classes, exams to school events calendar. A comprehensive fee management module to manage the fee monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly or annual terms. Parents can track the progress of the child by logging into the system and see their child activities, test results, homework and can communicate to the teachers. Parents can also submit the consents for different school events online. OneInstitutes has a robust exam management module. Multiple exam setups can be created and results are recorded online. Students' result card will be generated and accessible to parents online. Log in as admin. Give email and password to login. For student admission you have to define following things first. Academic year. Class. Section. Payment types. Payment types subtypes. Fee types. Fee. This is the form to add new academic year. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Class Management. Select Class. Define Class. This is the form to add new class. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Section. This is the form to add new section. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Settings. Select Payment Types. Define Payment Types. This is the form to add new payment types. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Payment Types Subtypes. Define Payment Types Subtypes. This is the form to add new payment types subtypes. You can provide the details and save it. Here is the listing of all the payment types subtypes you have defined. Now go to Fee Types. This is the form to add new fee types. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Fee. Define Fee. This is the form to add new fee. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to Student Registration. Select Applications. Now register a student by filling the basic information form. Approved students can be seen on application and approval screen. Now you can approve a student and can add into a class. Define payment terms and term details. After admission you can see the student into admission screen. Fee payments. Pay the fee against student by going to Do Fee Details screen and pay the fee. You can see the details of fee payment below. And also you can see fee payment details in the listing. You can also see paid fee in the fee payments screen. Class subject teacher and assignments. To assign subject, period to a teacher you need to define following. Subject. Period. Classroom. Teacher. Books. Define subject. This is the form to add new subject. You can provide the details and save it. Define period. This is the form to add new period. You can provide the details and save it. Define classroom. This is the form to add new classroom. You can provide the details and save it. Go to Class Subject Teacher. To define period to a teacher, define teacher first. Go to Profiles and select Staff. Define teacher. This is the form to add new teacher. You can provide the details and save it. Go to Class Subject Teacher. Now assign subject and period to a teacher. This is the form to assign period to a teacher. You can provide the details and save it. Now you can see teacher periods listing on Class Subject Teacher period screen. Define books. This is the form to add new books. You can provide the details and save it. Give assignments to a specific class. This is the form to give assignment. You can provide the details and save it. Roster. You can add staff and student attendance in roster section. Define attendance type first to take student attendance. This is the form to take staff attendance. You can provide the details and save it. For student attendance you need to define attendance type first. Define attendance type. This is the form to add attendance type. You can provide the details and save it. Now you can take student attendance. This is the form to take student attendance. You can provide the details and save it. Here is the listing of all the attendances. Exams. To take exam you need to define following. Term setup. Exam setup for specific term. Grade setup for specific exam. Marks scoring for students against that exams. Then define and generate results. Define term setup. This is the form to add term setup. You can provide the details and save it. Now go exam setup. Define exam setup. This is the form to add exam setup. You can provide the details and save it. Define grade setup. This is the form to add grade setup. You can provide the details and save it. Marks scoring for students against the exams. This is the form to add student marks. You can provide the details and save it. Now go to results. Define and generate results. This is the form to add result. You can provide the details and save it. News and events. You can define events and holidays in this section. This is the form to add events or holidays. You can provide the details and save it. Holidays or events you have defined can be seen in calendar. This is the form where parents can add their consent. Incident and complaints. Define students' incidents in this section. You can also add feedback or complaints in this section. Define incident. This is the form to add student incidents. You can provide the details and save it. Define complaint or feedback. This is the form to add feedback or complaint. You can provide the details and save it. Reports. In this section you can see all kinds of reports. Also you can download reports in CSV or can take printout. Applications report. Admissions report. Student attendances report. Fee payments report. Class subject teachers report. Parents report. Applications report. These are the applications that has not been approved yet. Admissions report. This is the report of all the approved students. Student attendances report. Fee payments report. Class subject teachers report. Parents report. Thank you for watching this video, powered by www.techxec.com. Contact us at sales@techxec.com.